Public Wi-Fi is convenient, but it can also be risky for banking. Open networks let others intercept traffic, making logins and data visible. Attackers can set up fake hotspots that mimic legitimate networks. Malicious actors can perform man-in-the-middle attacks to steal credentials. Mobile apps on public Wi-Fi may expose sessions if the network is compromised. That's why choosing the right connection and bank protections matters. TD Online Banking uses encrypted connections and strong session controls. Accessing TD through a secure browser on trusted networks reduces exposure. Enable TD security features like multi-factor authentication and device alerts. Use private networks or your mobile data when possible. Keep your app and browser updated and use a VPN on public Wi-Fi. Choose secure networks, enable TD security features, and report suspicious activity. Stay safe.